What is going on, everybody? What's going on, guys? EW Coin King here. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. If you haven't already followed me on Twitter, please get on Twitter. Follow me at EW Coin King, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button after the video. I'm gonna get right into it, guys, and show you what's been going on in the world of Tron Dapps. All videos moving forward aren't going to be exclusively on Tron Dapps, but right now, that's what's hot, guys. Justin Sun tweeted the other day that Tron Dapp users increased by 164,000 users in the month of January alone. Think about the adoption through the rest of 2019 and what that's going to mean for your favorite DApp, whether it be a P3T, tronbet.io, or what have you. I'm going to get right into it here, guys. P3T has been kicking motherfucking ass. Dude, it is on fire. The community is strong. It's showing its ability to be sustainable long term, which is exciting. And it's super cool thing to be a part of. And guys, it's not too late. We're just setting the foundation here. You guys just seen my divs just jump up right there, right in front of you. This is just all day, every day is what happens. You know, every couple minutes I'm just getting divs. There's my favorite button right there, reinvest. Reinvest and reinvest and reinvest. Oh, I just logged into my TronLink wallet and that I'll have to re-hit that. I need to sign my smart contract. I'll do that after the video. Guys, this platform's been doing awesome. I'm going to show you my ROI contract. That's just been pumping out divs for me on a daily basis and has been absolutely kicking ass, and I'm loving this platform. It is totally awesome. If you're not already involved, click the link below to get involved, get invested in P3T. You won't regret it. It's awesome. Okay, Mega Bullish Token on FOMO has been doing okay for me. Page isn't loading right now, but I think I made like 70 Tron divs in the last week, which isn't great, but it's new and up and coming, and we'll see how that continues into the future. Tron Double is a new platform. It's ROI as well, guys. This has been online for 3 days. 185 investors already, and the ROI contract's already up over 500,000. This is a cool project. They're going to be launching their coin soon. You know, it's cool. It's cool. Cool ROI there as well. I put 200 coins in. I'm already getting some back, as you can see right here. Shows you when your contract started, which is kind of cool. So that's a cool feature P3T could implement. I wouldn't put a ton of money in this, guys. P3T is got a much stronger community from social media to investing, and they're good investors. So just because you see a high balance and really good, stats on a platform like this, just in the first couple days, doesn't mean, oh my God, this is going to be the next big thing. You know, their coin here is D3T, so you can see they're knocking off P3T here a little bit. I'd be a little weary of it, guys. And again, contract size and growth isn't everything. It's all about community. It's all about reinvesting. It's all about building a solid foundation. Once we build a solid foundation, we get up over $100 million. It's really going to prove our sustainability long term. We just hit the $30 million threshold in P3T. So this is just an infancy stage. Just maybe something to keep an eye on, but wouldn't dwell on it there too much, guys. Okay, Tron Gem is another little project I threw about 370 Tron in. I ended up with 306 Gem here. Just kind of taking a chance on it right now. You can trade Gem on this with a smart contract, or you can just buy and hold. They have some little round achievements here where they give bonuses out and spread them out to gem token holders. I just kind of got on here because a couple people were asking me, hey, what's going on with gem? Do you know anything about it? So I came on here, threw a couple hundred coins in. When I bought most of my coins, I got like, I think 107 coins for every 100 Tron. Now it's down to 73. I bought a few more last night, about 70 more. So I have about 370 Tron invested in this. Not any kind of big winner yet, but something to keep an eye on. My reinvest button has been working. I did try and withdraw some. It's like 10 TRX, and it did work, so that's encouraging. And I'll tell you why right now. Because Lambo Lotto, or should I call it Scambo Lotto, this is a complete and utter, example of why you want to be involved with something that has good devs and a good community, guys. Because I started with 2,000 Tron in here. That was my initial investment, and I got 399 LLGTs for that. And I think my Tron balance went down to about 1,500. About 400 or 500 coins were eaten up through my initial investment because they're spread to the token holders, whatever. I got in around like 4 TRX. About 2 days ago, I tried to sell and withdraw my tokens. It was allowed me to sell but not withdraw. Then I got on their social media, and they're quote-unquote protecting their investors by not allowing people to withdraw until the contract reaches 13.9 million. Let me just start with something that's complete and utter bullshit. If you want to protect investors, block the sell function, because I sold, I wasn't able to withdraw, so I reinvested, and as you can see, guys, my tokens went from 399 down to 287. They're not protecting investors, guys. They're looking out for their own agenda. If they wanted to protect me as an investor, they would not have allowed me to sell, knowing that I'm unable to withdraw. There's no other reason anybody would want to sell their tokens other than to withdraw. There's no benefit to selling other than withdrawing your tokens. So to Lambo Lotto, that's complete bullshit. Their dev team is shady, and I would just consider everything you have on Lambo Lotto here a loss. I'm sorry, guys. It's awful. But this is exactly why, I've kind of stepped up to the plate and say, hey, look, I'm going to test out some of these Dapps for you guys. So if you're not involved, please don't get involved. I can take the 2,000 coin loss on this. Not a big deal. It's not going to hurt my pocket because I'm making tokens or TRX hand over fist on P3T. So it's all good, guys. So stay away from Lambo Lotto. I'm going to shoot back over here to P3T, guys, and wrap this video up and just show you once again how awesome this platform's doing. And, my tokens, my P3T tokens are going up 150, 200 tokens a day. Again, the power of having some good referrals is huge, guys. The contracts are over 30 million. We used to celebrate when we hit 12 and 15 million, guys. We're up over 30 million. This contract's going to go to 50 million in the coming weeks, and in the coming months, 60 days, 90 days tops, we're going to hit 100 million in the contracts, and that's going to solidify our position as a very long-term DApp. So I'm digging this, guys. Tron Dapps are huge right now. If you're not involved, get involved. If you are involved, get people you know involved. This is a huge opportunity to get in early. This is still the early stage. Stay on Dapp radar. Look at new Dapps out there. If you see anything you want me to try, let me know. I'll get on, throw a couple hundred coins on it, and show you what it does and give you kind of my review and my take on it, guys. Once again, please give me a follow on Twitter at EWCoinKing, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate ya. All right, guys. Later.